Even here, we'll go to the office.
Okay, Mr.
I told you, you have nothing
to worry about. No, Mr. Promise Oyibo sent you my passport.
You have nothing to worry about.
No, Miss, who sent you my passport? Mr. Promise Oyibo sent you that. I could see it already.
You are wasting time.
All right?
Okay, we are talking to you. No, I'm hold on. See, this family is my care.
Yes.
Okay. Nobody's
they are also in our own care too.
No, sir. I know the problem you have. If these people were in Austria,
yes. What do you call?
And the police approaches you,
yes.
Won't you honor them? Why?
We are not dishonoring you. We haven't said anything. But you can't just say, yeah, you wrote a wrong name on that document, and then you want me to follow you already. It's not possible.
So they have a visa to come into Nigeria.
So my people, the one when me they talk for inside,
we are not Nigerians. We are
Austrians. They not get again.
Yes, we are not Nigerians.
Because the way we meet see the condition is very bad. Okay, according to Vera, say they try their best. You understand?
See,
you know, say one person there abroad,
like,
you know, say they go like
you have to address that letter
for your body.
Yes,
Everybody know about that one. So I go put
no,
this video. Where those children they stay. It just be like where and I don't even know say even animals say no they sleep there. Whether na there then they stay or whether not be there. According to those children, they say na there then they stay. If not there, no good at least.
No, we are not going anywhere.
If not so, may Vera still like try her best. You understand? They don't go. They not be small children again.
Choose Promise Oyibo sent you guys my
they do something, you know.
And that was
just because otherwise they fit turn to another thing. And their own father wey be say they Nigeria, wetin the man come still they do
at the airport? Because
normally now man they take care of children, the woman come they support. Anyway, my people, may I put this video? May I listen
so guys,
to
share this video.
Everything where they talk for inside this video.
Osifo and choose Promise have
really shocked me. Okay, they don't see grow. They not be small picking again. They feel go learn
on that
furniture, mechanic, different things. They feel they do. Otherwise, they'll go the thief. Nah, bye for now.
They will have to drag me
like and share this
on
video.
The ground and drag my whole children.
Okay? Because me, I not there inside there. I don't know whether really Vera they do or you know they do or not the man they eat. I don't know. No, say Africa get a CB. But what about the husband, the papa children?
It's with Anole, right?
Sorry.
The black phone, iPhone. That is not my name address there. Otherwise, we'll stay here or you guys kill me. Like I choose Promise, I've already authorized you to. Choose Promise and Osifo. Osifo and Choose Promise have collided to arrest me, to stay CID on what offense they don't want to tell me.
Ich wusste, wir hätten irgendwas auf unser Gesicht oder so tun. Ich hab's gesagt.
What then? Yeah, that is not the reason. They know. Hello, sir.
Hello?
Hello, sir. I am held up here by the state CID of police, and then they claim my name is Mabel Osifo Agbo on the addressed letter, and of which that is not me. And then they opened a message on WhatsApp that is a message on WhatsApp written Promise Oyibo, Choose Promise Oyibo, who sent them my passport copy, and they were showing me this passport copy and making me to find out if that is my passport copy or not. And this was the passport we submitted at the airport here in Lagos. My passport as we came down from the airport, from the plane, and they needed address, they needed everything, our passport number, all the children, since we are not a citizen of Austria, of Nigeria, and then which was screenshot immediately as that man was you know, writing those, filling that form. That man screenshot it. Choose Promise Oyibo and Osifo has arranged an arrest for me, and I'm not going anywhere until the letter is well addressed. They are standing here.
Madam,
yes, sir.
Madam, let me jump with you.
Okay.
Let me jump.
Okay, I'm with you. I'm going to ask them. Hello? Hello, sir? Hello, sir? Hello? Touch him. It cannot be that. Which, my lawyer wants to know which station.
Stay CID.
State ID. Okay. Did you hear him?
Atiaba.
Which section of CCI?
State ID Atiaba.
Atiaba.
Which of the section? Which section?
Which section?
Which section?
The lawyer is asking which section.
When you get there now, you know.
Why? I have every right to contact my lawyer. Which one is when I get there, I know. Which one is when I'm not going anywhere with you. You guys can shoot me dead.
Do you see when they go? Do you see
Do I know what you keep? Do I know how you came? I am only asking you a simple question. You can't take me along without me knowing where I'm going to.
That's why I now said that I can shoot. Do you see me with gun?
How am I supposed to trust you when you are ready?
Is paper that a gun?
Do I know? Do I know your plan? Why then can you not tell me exactly the place you are taking me to? Why can you not tell me where you are taking me to?
Yaba.
Yeah, but which station? My lawyer is asking more questions.
Which section?
Which session? You can listen from here. This is my phone. You have no right to hold my phone.
Which section?
Which session?
We have a right to know.
Sir, please answer. Which station?
Osifo and choose Promise Oyibo. Which session is here? He does not want to answer you.
This is our lawyer
Hello?
speaking. This is my mother's lawyer speaking. You should touch him.
Hello?
Touch him, sir.
He's not wanting to listen.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm listening to you.
No problem. Don't come in.
We want to know which
We're not
station.
going anywhere. You should touch him.
Yeah, I can hear you.
We're not going anywhere, girl.
Okay.
Mr. Sweat. Yeah.
No, it's not here. No, we were just driving along, not far away from the house. Yes. They came with a lot of people. They are not putting on uniform. I wouldn't know if they are police. I haven't seen any ID card that says they are police. They are all putting on without... They have not given me any ID to know if it's true or not. They are all non-uniform. Yeah, my driver is calling Abazeli. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, from the invitation right now, from the WhatsApp where he was showing me my passport copy, it was Choose Promise Oyibo who sent him that the alleged father of Valerie Fels, the child I adopted officially in Austria. Alleged. We don't know. I don't know him. Alleged. The main father in Austria died already. The one the Austrian government knows. And this one only contacted me through my Facebook and claimed he is the father. That I should return the child back to the orphanage. And of which the government had already given me the right to adopt the child. And the father officially there